What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on SPAL token, which has taken a slight dip over the last few days. As you guys can see, in the last 24 hours itself it is down 4%, nothing major. But what we're going to be going through in today's video is its target for 2024 guys, and also for the rest of the year as well, looking at how high can this crypto go in 2024. Is it worth keeping it? Is it worth investing into it? And looking at, is it a must-have crypto in your portfolio for next year as well? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line, or the value here, which gives us the average value of SPAL token, and we can see it's actually trading in green here, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected, as it is above its average value. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I am expecting SPAL token to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again guys, the word is slightly higher. Doesn't mean it's going to go for a major pump or a bull run or whatever. There's going to be a very minimal increase in value. So guys, do expect red days in between, not red days, red hours, red candlesticks in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning potentially just about heading over 0.0005 cents is what I'm expecting from SPAL token over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from SPAL token over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, SPAL token should essentially be trading around its current price range of where it is at the moment. And again, the days, you're going to see red days, you're going to see green days. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of days. As you can see, up down, and yeah, that's likely to carry on. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, meaning trading around its current price range towards the end of next week is what my predictions are. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, once again guys, we've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So exact same as the last chart, both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other. But in this case, I'm not expecting it to fluctuate at the current price range over the next 6 to 8 weeks. In fact, I am expecting an overall increase in value from SPAL token. By mid to late December 2023, it should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to about 0.0007 to 0.0008 cents is where I'm expecting SPAL token to be trading at by the end of the year. And I'm expecting, as I've mentioned plenty of times in my previous updates, the crypto market itself to be heading towards the bullish direction, to be moving positive for the rest of the year and going into 2024 as well. So yes guys, we should expect more pumps and more green candles in the crypto market and in SPAL token as well. So speaking of SPAL token and the end of the year, what are my predictions for 2024? So guys, 2024 should be a bullish year for the crypto market. And why I'm saying that is because I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading to around $50,000 to $55,000 in the first about 6 to 7 months of 2024, which means we should also expect other cryptocurrencies to follow a similar pathway to Bitcoin, meaning heading towards a bullish direction, going in a positive way. But if there are any changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting it to go to a much higher value or even a much lower value, that can, any news out there can have a positive or negative impact on the crypto market. If I am able to predict such thing, I will of course let you guys know as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, at the moment, guys, Spell token is likely to be quite volatile over the next couple of days, but over the next 2 months I'm expecting it to go for an overall increase in value along with most other cryptocurrencies as well. And 2024 targets for me is it should be able to hit 0.001 cent in Q3 of 2024. Yes, to some of you guys it may seem like a long time, but that is how crypto works, and that is a reasonable amount of time for it to hit the 0.001 cent target, which I'm expecting it to hit in towards the second half of 2024. But any changes I will let you guys know. And Spell token is a crypto which I have been covering on a regular basis as you guys have asked me to. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. Again, the Fibonacci scale is kind of useless when it comes to cryptos like this because we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we're gonna have to hit at least 0.008 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Spell token anytime soon, not over the next 2 to 3 years at least. So yeah, pretty much useless. We are going to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. As I always say, as long as it moves towards the positive direction at a steady pace, we should be good to go. So going into the Coinmarketcap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped by 32%, making it just under $5 million, which is again quite of a drop in trading because reason is the value has dropped 4%, so not many people will be looking into buying it or selling it. Most people are just holding on to it or waiting for it to drop further to buy it, so hence why the trading volume hasn't had much of an impact. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.